Hello, my name is Vanessa Claudia Becerra. I'm a seventh semester student of Industrial Engineering. For the technology Evaluation and Negotiation course, I'm going to present my PowerPoint presentation on the cause and effect diagram, and I will also talk about some recommendations to avoid the identified obstacle. The date is March 16, 2022. This is the cause-effect diagram for the obstacle selected by my group, lack of benefit information. There are the cause, fear I have human resource, and say that little interest, ignorance of the importance of intellectual property, lack of compromise. Two, system, they have poor service at registration office, they refuse information and corruption. Then miss opportunities, loss of market share, players hinders the expansion of the company and use your ideas without permission. And finally, lack of knowledge, lack of experience on the subject. This is the recommendation I have. When a person or company makes a creation of any kind, it is recommended that they inquire about the different way to protect intellectual property. This is in order to prevent someone else from manufacturing, using or selling their creation. It also allows them to differentiate themselves from the other with a unique creation and our authorship. It is recommended to have support with government entities in conducting training or seminars open to the public in order to provide tools where you can learn about the importance, benefits, and advantages that it brings to companies and people who want to create any type of content, the protection of intellectual property. And thank you very much.